All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. It's time to take a look at two cases here for the OnePlus Open. These are the Merge Grip. This has got to be the most popular case that has ever been released from Tudia. I swear it is. So we're going to get these unboxed. I'm going to try them on my OnePlus Open. I'm going to see which one I kind of like the best. And it's different colors here. Same case, different colors. Yeah, and so it's going to be really nice. So let's get them cut open. Shout out to the Jerry Riggs knife. If you haven't got your Jerry Riggs knife, man, you need to get it. It's on sale right now. And I think you'll probably be able to get it for $10 like I did. Half off. I went with the clear color. As you can see, nice little hex, got a lot of texture to it. And it's got his thing back there, Jerry Rig. Shout out to Zach for that. Anyway, $9 is a great deal. So we're gonna pop open the cases here, and I probably didn't have to use it. Oh yeah, I had to cut it anyway. All right, let's just get these open here. This looks like the black one. Okay, ooh, really nice. Oh, and it has a screen protector already in it. Okay, I didn't know that, because mine has a screen protector on it that I've had on it since I got it. This is what they look like when they come to packaging. Pretty cool. And the OnePlus Open comes with a case, folks. I just didn't use it. I didn't use it. I was like, I'm not gonna use it. I'll just leave it in the box. So this is what they look like. First of all, what do you think about these colors? Wow, pretty nice. So just looking at the back here, this is a textured, and it's got the little Tudia logo there. That's actually really cool. Really, really nice. I like that. Really nice. So you got a little textured logo inside of here with the Tudia logo cut out for the camera. Now this should help obviously a lot with the protection of the camera. It's gonna be really nice. I was seeing if these feel any different. These feel the same, just different colors. So let's get the OnePlus Open in here. Here it is. All right. So let's start with this green one here. It's pretty cool. Oh, this is a thin case, by the way, man. This thing is very thin. When I saw the pictures of this, I figured maybe it was like a thicker case, but it is not. So let's get this front part peeled off here. Let's clean it up again. Again, this has a tempered glass on there, so I'd probably have to remove it in order to make this fully go on nicely. Yeah, it's a little snug. It's working though. No, it's not gonna work with the tempered glass. So off you go. I've got other tempered glasses. And now, oh yeah, perfect. Don't troll me. Don't troll me. Don't troll me. No. Pause. All right. So I did get it off, but I ended up scratching it a little bit because it was on there so tight. But yeah, nonetheless, it is good. It didn't affect the phone. And this is what it's looking like. Whoa. This is actually a pretty good looking case. And since I have the original OnePlus case and never used it, this is like a fresh new phone. You know, the OnePlus case feels a little different than this also. This definitely has grip. It's a very thin case in comparison to the OnePlus, the way it feels. And the screen protector, not my favorite. You know, I would prefer to just probably rip this out and keep my tempered glass on there. Just have the framing, but keeping the framing on actually helps give some rigidity to the case, like making it feel more sturdy. So before we get into that one, let's see if we can, this one will peel off on its own. Nope, it will not. So I had to get in here with the Jerry Rig knife. It's on there. This screen protector, like this top portion is on here way too tight. And it may be that these sat for a long time or something. I don't know. But yeah, man. Whoa, that is on there really, really tight. On there a little too tight. But let's go ahead and put the front part on. And we're gonna go ahead and clean this off again here, because this screen has never been without a screen protector. Yeah. So now let's get this, and that one comes off super easy. Let's put this on. And remember with Tudia, man, you got your own style. You can have a green back, black front, whatever you want to do. Yeah, that's fire. That's really good. I'll probably do a green front and a black back, just every now and then, or switch it up, or a green back and a black front. But this is very nice, and shout out to the folks over at Tudia for sending it over. The camera now is nicely recessed, but it doesn't add too much thickness and bulkiness around that area. Feels real good, because you see how much space is around the camera there, so you can see what it looks like. But ultimately, you have good access to your power button, your volume rocker, your vibrate mute switch. Nicely done there. It's really nice. A sloping effect there. All ports and everything should line up perfectly fine. If they don't, we need to holler at your Tudia, but they do. They line up great. And then if you come around to the front area here, this is what it's looking like. Why is my Tesla thing way over there? This is what it's looking like. So really nice. Really feeling it. Yeah. All right, nice little black border around there. It's it. This is it, man. This is it. Really nice. So there you have it, man. The green and the black. Which one do you actually go with? Which one do you use? Anyway, it's your man Jay. Links in the description. Grab yours if you haven't already done so. Shout out to Tudia for producing the cases, and I appreciate it. See you in the next video. Take care.